Hello friends, welcome to the Trading Temple channel. Today we have another video for those of you who love the Forex market, and we've done a nice analysis on GBP USD. Right now we've taken a sell position, and I want to explain why we took this sell position. And as always, based on the analysis I did, we start from the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we can see that there's a daily resistance here, which we've touched once and the price dropped. We've also formed a head and shoulders pattern in the daily time frame, which was quite strong and has broken out, confirming the pattern. And we also have another daily resistance here, as well as a daily support here. But this daily support that we have here isn't very strong because it's only been touched once. Now it's been touched for the second time. Most likely in the back test of this head and shoulders pattern, after this phase it will drop further and could come down to these areas here. If we switch to the 1 hour time frame, what made me open this position for now? Because in the 1 hour time frame, and as you saw in the daily time frame, the trend has now shifted downward, and in the 1 hour time frame we can clearly see that we're in a downtrend. Here we had a break of structure and the price hit the daily support, bounced off it and moved up. It touched this significant resistance level within the 1 hour time frame on one occasion and subsequently touched it a second time. Now let's carefully observe what precisely transpired on the third touch. Here we distinctly see a prominent candle that quite clearly took out the existing stop losses and then promptly returned back into the established trading range. At the same time, here we see a fair value gap and an order block up here, which suggests that the market might go up a bit and could even reach this level. I was a bit aggressive in this situation and opened my position early here based on the possibility that with the liquidity we've taken here, the market might shift and go down. And if we switch to the 5-minute time frame, I also got a confirmation here. If you look at the 5-minute time frame, you'll see that we have a change of character here. If I draw it out, it would look like this. And clearly we have a change of character in the 5-minute time frame as well, which indicates a reversal. It hasn't been confirmed yet, but as I said, I acted a bit aggressively and opened my position. The price might go up a bit and then come back down again. But according to my perspective, right now I've opened a 1 to 3 risk to reward position, and we can say our first target could be here and our second target here. Why is our second target there? Because if we look to the left, right here, we have a small resistance on the 1 hour time frame that could hold the price, and at the same time it could grab some liquidity here, since a lot of people open buy positions around these areas and they could get liquidated. But now we absolutely have to see what precisely happens in the next few days, because on the 1 hour time frame it might potentially take a little while to clearly see the ultimate result of our current position. This was the video I made today about GBP USD. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe, and remember, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Thank you until the next video.